Hey, how's it going, everyone? Savage here, and welcome back to the den for another shave. Interesting new product. I'm not sure if it's new. Well, it's new for me. So, a little backstory about this product before I show you. A couple weeks ago, my family and I took a vacation out to a natural bridge out here in Virginia, and we had to stop by Kroger out there to get some melatonin, just because years of the military I just need sleep. You can see it on my face, but. Uh, Like anyone else out there, I always perused the men's grooming section. I actually found a couple of cool things. And among them was Gillette Pro Shave Cream Sensitive. Now, my first thought was, will it lather? So we're going to find out, will it lather? Actually, you're going to find out. I already know the answer. You're going to find out, though. I've already used it once before. But, yeah, it's our advanced glide formula cleanses away oil and dirt, hydrates your hair for easy cutting and smooth glide. And my son is losing his mind in there. And it's just got the basic instructions. See, it doesn't have right there, though, that you can use a brush, but the hell, right? Alright, so since we're using a Gillette shaving cream, I'm just going to go with my Slim Twist right here, along with a Phoenix Artisan Accoutrement Platinum Stranglet blade in there. Absolutely wonderful blade. I'm going to go with my Yaki 24 Ruby Red Synthetic. And I'll just use whatever aftershave I first get my hands on when I'm done with this. I could use a Gillette aftershave. I'm not sure. I might just use a Gillette aftershave. So, I'll get my brush. Nice and wet. This time you won't have to hear the sink going. No, I have not found the drain plug, but I just put a bowl in there filled with hot water. It works. So, my Smiles from Miles bowl is going to add... a little much. A little booger like that ought to do it. Alright, now we're just going to get it going. So like I said, oh shit. I already know the answer to whether it will lather or not because I've used it. Because I was on vacation, left all my shaving stuff behind. And, we're going out for dinner. I wanted to look a little presentable. My wife, my kids, my mother-in-law. I wanted to look a little presentable for them, so. So what's going on out there? Be right back. Alright, I'm back, everyone. Sorry about that. Two youngest ones were getting into it. It's always fun. So we got a nice, really, it's not bad. It's really good lather, actually. Built a really good lather. The scent, I can't quite nail it. It is a refreshing scent. I really do enjoy it, but I just cannot, for the life of me, nail it. Maybe someone else? I don't know. But, yeah, as you can tell, it does lather very nicely. You can see in the bowl. So I'm just going to go for a few more seconds with that. That should be good. A little water on my face. And as soon as we're done with the shave, we're going to talk about the 200 subscriber giveaway. That's going to start today. And we'll go until next Friday. Give everyone time. Hopefully I get a lot of people interested in that one. So, really nice. Whipped up really nice. So, let's go. Ooh. A little thick there. Really, really creamy. But it doesn't feel insanely heavy on the face, which is good, but same time though it could be negative because sometimes the heavier ones on the face are the ones that run the risk of not having enough cushion. But like I said, that's for you to find out. That's for me to know and you to find out. Okay, so only like 24 hours of growth right now. You know, it's a weekday, so I shave every day during the week, so. But what I can hear is still taking down whatever little stubble I do have right now. So despite feeling light, it does have a good cushion to it. Really good glide too. I like it. Breakfast time for the kids right now, and I'm ready to leave for work here soon, so. It's got a almost a mentholated feel, like post shave feel. Feels very mentholated. It's nice. And that is pass one complete. I'm gonna try and knock this down, and I don't even have to actually add water. It's still really fluffy lather. Little, you know, some bubbles here and there. I can work those out though. It's really good though. I'm not gonna lie. The problem with this stuff is there's not really much info online about it. I haven't seen. There's, you know, hardly anything. I don't know if I've seen, or this may be an older product they discontinued. The store is having holding on to. It was a little backwoodsy, so it wouldn't, you know, surprise me. As soon as we're done with this pass right here, we should be good. Then I'll talk about the giveaway. It is a small giveaway. I'm not gonna lie. There's only like 3 things in it. If I can acquire a 4th item prior, it will be in there. But that's you know, just had something fall through. And I'm at a point now where I don't want anyone to sit there and say, "Oh, he's just hyping us." So, give away what I've been able to acquire so far. Alright. Go ahead and go now. No tugging or pulling whatsoever. But could be the blade itself. These platinum strangles from Phoenix are absolutely amazing. So absolutely nothing there now. But hope everyone's having a good week. My schedule has just been so damn discombobulated. I worked till like 11 last night, then went in at like 7 today. No, 8 today for a graduation for some of my soldiers, so. That is incredibly smooth right there. Hope the other side goes well. Anyone who knows me knows this side of my lip right here always takes a beating. I don't know why. If anyone hears a dog in the background, that's one of my pits. Trust me, they're not being abused. They just think that if you're not giving them love every 2 seconds, you're neglecting them. The only negative drawback to this razor is it can be a little mild. So real quick, I'm just going to grab my Ascension from Phoenix. This razor definitely has a bit more zap to it. There we go. I don't like switching razors mid-shave, but certain little spots get me here and there. Just don't get as close as I want. There we go. My cheek right here is just... There we go. That was just being a stubborn fucking spot. Well, the problem was... Alright. Just gonna rinse real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, before we talk about that shave, we're going to talk about the giveaway. So, I have 3 things I'll be giving away. First, foremost, and what I think is pretty exciting, is unobtainium from Phoenix. I'm going to be giving away a Shavette World Han Polo. This is an homage to Polo Green, Polo Sport to some people, but I get more Polo Green out of it than anything. This is straight unobtainium at its finest. I had, yeah. Took me a minute to find it, but there's a shop around here that I was able to find it from, and I was also able to talk them down a pretty good price on it too. So there's that. I'm gonna throw in a pack of Big Ben razors in there. These are actually, they were my favorites. They were, and this is just my pack because I don't I'm not going to dig that one out of my little storage area. Giving away a pack of the Phoenix Platinum Stranglets Super Sharps. If I can get my hands something else, I will throw it in there. As I said, I understand this is a smaller giveaway right here, but you know. But my overall thoughts on this shave. Honestly, this stuff is actually pretty amazing. I mean, like I said, I don't have much of a backstory on it, and just it still has an absolute amazing lather going. I mean, just that absolute insane lather right there. Just get all that off. That fluffy, firm, dense. I'm gonna give this one a solid 8 out of 10. Rinse my hand off real quick. Yeah, that one that gets an 8 out of 10 from me for the Savage. So, and yeah, granted, I did have to switch razors midway through. That wasn't the soap's fault though. I think maybe my skin just was not in the mood for the Gillette twist. It's always in the mood for this bad boy though. So, all right. So, overall thoughts. Like I said, 8 out of 10. Go ahead and get it. All right. But that is all the Savage has for you today. So, in order to enter the giveaway, all you got to do is, first, you got to be a subscriber. All right, it's kind of a mandatory thing right there. Second, you have to comment, I'm in. And the giveaway, and like the video obviously as well. The giveaway will end next Friday. I don't know the exact date, but it will end next Friday. Not this Friday coming up, but next Friday the giveaway will end. And yeah, that's all I got for all you right now. And I think, yeah, that's everything. So thank you all for your support. Thank you all for the love. And I will see you in the next video.